In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Spotify from Microsoft Store. If you installed Spotify through the Microsoft Store and you want to remove it from your computer, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You can do this from your Start menu or by selecting the Microsoft Store icon if it's already pinned to your taskbar. Once the store is open, give it a second to fully load so all of the menu options appear properly. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the Microsoft Store window and click on Library. This section shows the apps and programs connected to your Microsoft Store account, including anything you've installed from there. If you don't see everything right away, just wait a moment for the list to populate. Now, find the Spotify app in your library. You may need to scroll a little depending on how many apps you have installed. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct app, especially if you have several music or media apps listed. Once you've found Spotify, click on the three dots next to it to open more options. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Uninstall. After you click it, Windows may ask you to confirm the action. If it does, simply confirm, and the uninstall process will begin. That's all you need to do. Spotify will be removed from your system if it was installed through the Microsoft Store. If you ever want it back later, you can always return to the Microsoft Store and reinstall it from there. And that's how to uninstall Spotify from Microsoft Store.